Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at what are the messages for you for the first 15 days of May. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to the situation. And if this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign also. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So, what are the messages for Librans for the first 15 days of May? Okay. So, we have the Wheel of Fortune, the Hangman, and the Ace of Wands, Three of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Four of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, Queen of Cups, the Death, and the Page of Cups, the Lovers. Okay. So Librans, definitely things are changing. It's time for a major change. See, what I feel is there is a situation which is either things are changing in a situation which is stuck. There is a new beginning, definitely, but what I feel is though the things are changing, but still see, what I am getting honestly is that the change itself is that things are slow and stagnant. Okay, though we have a new beginning over here with the Ace of Wands, at least you see that. That's what I feel. You see there is a new beginning, you know, or maybe that new beginning is coming in, but still things are not moving. Somehow, that's what I'm getting. And that is the change. Maybe this is the change. This stagnation is the change. Maybe your life was moving very fast and now it's slowed down. It can be that also. See, maybe things were pretty fast in your life till now, whatever it was. So there is a situation now which is on hold. Okay, and that is the change from hectic to slow. If it was a relationship, whatever it was, that is the change which is coming in with the Ace of Wands. Though you see, still have on your eyes on something new, something positive, something which you feel passionate about, and you are with the Three of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Four of Swords. What I feel is that this is collaboration and teaming up. You are discussing with your family, your friends, or somebody. You are discussing about this Ace of Wands or something new which is there in this stagnation, or in this, or maybe this is the ray of hope in this stillness, or in this stagnation, or in this pause in your life. And you are talking or taking an opinion of others, talking to your family and friends. And with the Knight of Pentacles, maybe you start moving towards this Ace of Wands, whatever this Ace of Wands is for you, after talking to you or taking the opinion of your family and friends, or your trusted ones, or your team members, whatever it is. But what I feel here is with the Knight of Pentacles, you know that opportunity is there, but I really don't see that you will be able to move towards it in a faster way or in some way. So it is still there, but the movement itself is very, very slow. It's again with the Four of Swords, what I feel is I really don't see any movement forward in this direction, whatever it is. And here with the Four of Swords, what I feel is even if you make an effort, maybe towards this Ace of Wands, whatever this Ace of Wands is for you, what I feel is you will just let it go, and this is the time you are giving yourself now, just surrendering it, and okay, let it be type of a thing. That's what I'm getting. And now this is the time you are giving yourself and focusing on yourself, focusing on your own well-being, giving time to yourself, taking a break perhaps. That's what I feel. So even if you have a new opportunity or a new person or a new whatever this new thing is, but I really don't see things moving. Things are right now stagnant and slow. in your life. You are just leaving it to time perhaps, and just focusing on yourself and working hard on yourself. That's what I feel, working on yourself. Okay, taking a break, taking a vacation. With the Eight of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords, what I feel is, see what I feel here is that you've been working hard on, though you are taking a break, but you are still working hard on something. Somebody here is still working hard on something, whatever it is. And with the Seven of Swords, somebody is hiding their emotions. Maybe you are working hard on some aspect of yours. No, see, somebody here is hiding, cheating, lying, playing with those mind games and all that. Okay, so maybe you are working hard on this aspect of yours to open up, learn to open up. I don't know. See, you are healing and trying to work on yourself, that's for sure. But then what are you working hard on? Working hard on cheating? Working hard on your emotionally, maybe you're not able to open up emotionally, and you hide your emotions, and maybe that is what you're working hard on. That's what I feel. And that is with the Death card following is we have following the Death card, we have the Page of Cups and the Lovers. So maybe you are working hard on your closed emotions, or you're not being able to open up. And that is the transformation which is coming in with the Death card over here. That's what I feel. So if you have the tendency to hide your emotions or not commit, hiding that cheating, lies and deception, maybe that is the aspect which you are working on during this break. And that is the transformation. I don't know who is doing that. A very different type of a reading this is. And that is the transformation which is coming in. And here with the Page of Cups and the Lovers, what I feel is you are able to open up emotionally. So that is what you are working hard. Are you working hard on your emotional aspect? Learning to open up, and that is what you are doing. And with the Lovers there, with the Page of Cups, you are ready to open up, and you are ready to offer your emotions to someone. So that's what I feel, that you are working hard on your emotional aspect, how to open up. Maybe you don't know how to open up emotionally. I don't know for whom this reading is going to resonate. Just see the Nine of Spades jumped out, which is having anxious nights, sleepless nights, having a lot of anxiety. Anyway, let's see what is the message from this card deck. Four of Diamonds. Hesitancy in opening up, watching things behind the door, not ready to open up. This is hesitation. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Guidance from the angels for Libras. Fair decisions. Number 8 may be of some significance for you. The angels are aware that you have concerns, but be assured there is nothing to worry about. Stand your ground and know that the heaven is shining its divine light upon the situation and all is being healed. Take time to review the details thoroughly. Forgiveness will bring peace to everyone around. So something, I don't know with whom it's going to resonate, but then it's something good that I should say, and it's really something positive. So Librans, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.